Hello.
Poi che devo dire?
No.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Me too. I will open my camera just a second, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how it's going?
Very good, you?
I'm doing great. Can I say something?
Yeah.
Yeah, both of you look really Italian. Like really really Italian. Like yeah, like it's not even like I don't even have to guess, right?
What,
So,
sorry?
I say I don't even have to guess. Like you really look Italian, both of you.
Ah, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just opening my camera. I'm giving configurations for Zoom. I don't know
Good.
why he wants to put me in this situation, right? So, yep, here. Can you see me?
No.
no,
Well, both of you at the same time, right? Okay. Sorry for this.
no worry. It's not a problem.
It's, yep. Okay. What about now?
No.
No.
Oh God. All right. Just a second. Yep. I believe this works.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, now
perfect.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
very good.
Hello.
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 Hi. So, I'm Hashim.
Okay,
Very nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
nice to meet
Antonio and
you.
Greta.
You
Great,
too.
yes.
Okay. Anton and Greta.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So, how are you doing?
Well,
Well, yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes.
Okay. Can you tell me more about your project?
Now, it's a project for customer care.
Customer care.
We
Right.
have, yes, so we have two versions of the code. One is written by me, and another is written by another programmist. But I don't think it's work very good because um, it's structured like a scalable product.
Yes.
But we find out that it didn't work out because
Yes.
it's based on it's like stupid chatbot. I don't understand.
Yes, I understand. I understand what you're saying. Simple
Yes, it's
chatbot.
not that it's not natural.
Yes,
It's not
and not smart
conversation.
in the
Yes,
head.
it's not smart. The version that I've written is more fluent, more conversational, but it's not scalable.
Yes, I understand. I
So
understand you.
we need to merge it, the two versions, and make it scalable and more conversational, more natural,
Yes.
like we talk with someone like person.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Okay,
I see your
account
biography, yes,
profile.
your
Yes.
account, yes. And I want to see some demo if you have it from your works.
Yes, of course. Perfect. So I can let me share my screen, right? So just a second. It will be smoother than my camera, I promise you.
No worry.
No worries.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, yep, that's it.
Mhm.
Okay, it's here.
No, we
Yep.
don't.
Now you can okay, just a second. Share my screen. Right. So, oops. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps going and doing this. Right. Yeah. So, what you want to see here basically, it's you want actually to see my to see both of my setups, you wanted to see both the Japanese and the Arabic one, right?
Yes, yes, of
Yes,
course.
because you have
I I want to see how they interact with you. If
how
they are natural, if how you
yes,
structure them.
yes, I understand. So, this is really good. Just okay, you know what? It's easy. It's easy. Zoom just, it loves to torture me. Let me open it from Slack. I can open it from Slack. Yep, like this. So, yeah, it's I don't know why Zoom is buggy, right? When I
Okay.
click, it minimizes the page. I don't know why, right? So here's basically, yeah, here's basically the slack of the work that I've done for the Japanese people. So yeah,
Sorry, we have a problem.
take your time. Yes.
1 second. It's so hot here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I understand. Yeah, no worries. Uh, yeah. So again, in the Japanese company that I worked with, so I basically signed an NDA. I can't show you the direct code itself, but I will show you enough, right? Until you are satisfied. Okay.
Okay.
If
Just a question. You have the API with the ChatGPT or something like that?
what?
This is collegated with the
OpenAI.
OpenAI.
This is actually corrugated with a couple of things. So let me tell you what the Japanese people they try to do. Basically,
Okay.
here this is actually documents. For God's sake, I maybe know what's the problem. I may know what's the problem. Yes,
No, we
finally,
see it.
finally, finally. Yes, it minimizes the page. It minimizes the page, right?
No, but
So
we still.
okay, yes.
Fine.
So
Okay.
basically, the Japanese they wanted to do the following, right? So they wanted to make a RAG system, right? But not just a normal RAG system like a chatbot. They wanted to
Okay.
have also graphs. So for example, the engineer, let's say for a car, right? He wants to know what's the problem, what's the problem, what piece is missing, or something like this. So this was a really complicated project, as you can see, because the parts themselves,
Mhm.
the part, it is not just
Okay.
normal text, but it's in both Japanese and in numbers and angles and all of that stuff. Also, they wanted to integrate tables, right? As you can see.
Okay. Yes.
Also, yeah,
It's
tables.
all in Japanese. Very difficult.
Yeah, it's. Let me tell you, I swear to God, this was the hardest job I have ever done in my life. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what do you use for translate it?
Yeah, so this was a really good question. So for translation, I tried to adapt for the company, and they were really nice. As you can see here, for example, even my colleagues, they are Japanese, and they don't know how to talk in English. Only the CEO knows English.
Okay.
So if you can see here, if I come
Yes.
back, yeah. So my colleague, Goto-san, Goto-san. Okay, Goto-san is translation just for Mr. Goto.
Okay.
You can see that I'm talking with him in Japanese, right? So I was
Okay.
using translation. I was saying what I want and then send him, and he can't actually talk in English. He's also using translation, right?
Okay.
So he, as you can see, for example, I tell him something in Japanese, and he replies in English, right? And then I
Okay.
tell him, no, I've actually solved this. You can see, in the okay, you can see in the project that I did this, I did blah blah blah, you know. Yeah, you can see it for this, for
And
example.
how many hours you spent to work on it?
Yeah, so I was actually working full time. You can see that this in 14th of
Yes.
October. We finished recently. Like
Just a couple of weeks.
yeah, we
Okay.
finished. I finished with them recently, but we've been working on this for about 4 months, right?
Okay.
Because it was a really big project and all of that stuff. So yes, that's basically the Japanese one. I can show you again the code itself because again
And
I signed.
I don't understand.
Mm.
This is not a chatbot.
It's a chatbot, right?
Yes.
So engineer can ask, for example, I'm an engineer, right? And I
Yes.
want to ask, I don't know. For example, I have problem in the car. It is 123. Okay. What is
Okay.
the cause of my problem? So it says, the chat says that the problem is, for example, in this area, okay, uh, using this part. You understand what I'm saying? Replace it.
Yes.
So the
Okay.
chat it tells you actually, you know what? You have
Okay.
problem in this part and you need to replace it, and this is the right thing. But it's a chat.
So the chat identify where is the problem.
Thank you. Exactly.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Mm.
can I see how it works? You can I don't know you can show us how you speak with the chatbot, how it answer, like
Yes.
um
Unfortunately, again,
the
unfortunately,
flow.
I signed an NDA. I can show you the flow. I can show you the flow. I can show you the flow. So the flow itself, here, here, yeah, it's just a little bit laggy because I'm in Zoom and all of that stuff. So the flow, as you can see, it's of course we have code. So this is just something, but we have code. But again, I can't show you the exact code itself. The Arabic one I can show you,
Okay.
right? But the Japanese company, they are so strict with the NDA. I've signed about four.
I understand.
Yeah,
It's fine. Yes.
yeah. So here it's the whole workflow. As you can see here, it's all in Japanese. I really wanted to kill myself in this job. Right? Yes. But yeah, so here it starts with uploading the file and then uploading the file itself. For example, like this file that we did, and then converting it into an image, parsing it, then actually making an OCR and taking the graphs itself, and making the graphs, and save it to our database and all of that stuff. Then we make a post request, so we save the text itself and then the end goal, right? So this was the Japanese one, right? And of course we have here our API that we linked it with, right? So this was the Japanese one. I know you wanted to see more, but sorry, I can't really because
Yes.
I try to respect them because they respected me and they treated me really well. The Arabic one I can show you, and it's actually right
Okay.
now in production, and you can even test it yourself. Um,
Okay.
yes. So here, this is the Arabic one. So
Sorry.
it's a rack system.
The
Okay.
this one, the Arabians one, you writing from scratch or you just
Everything is from scratch. Everything is
okay.
from scratch, and you can
Okay.
actually see my GitHub, right?
Okay.
Like I don't remember did I send you my GitHub or not, but you can see every commit that I made, literally,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And all of this, like I did it myself from scratch. I have 4 research papers published, you know,
Mhm.
one published right now and 3 are under review in AI. I'm doing masters. I've been working for more than a couple of years, and on Upwork, I've just worked recently on Upwork, and you can see that I'm making really great progress on Upwork. But I have big experience. I work with
Mhm.
an American company which is called Whitestone Partners, right?
Okay.
And all of this. So yeah, here you can see that I did that from scratch. Okay, I did it everything, but the reasoning itself, because the person, he's from Saudi Arabia and he wanted, basically the idea of this program is that you actually have, yeah, so you can use ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and all of that stuff, um, but it is actually, yeah, it hallucinates when you ask them about any legal question, right? And
Yes.
it is
Yes.
not
Yes.
accurate. So the person, he wanted to take all of the legal documents in Saudi Arabia, right, and actually put it into a rack system so the person can use it. A normal person like us can use it and ask it and get a real question with a quotation, right? Of the answer itself, and we will see it. We will test it right now, and I will even make the translation in front of you so you can see it yourself.
Okay.
So you can,
Yes. Very
yeah.
interesting this project.
Yes, really interesting, because we didn't
Really
only put
interesting.
we didn't only put the law, but we actually put the law and all of the old cases for about the last 12 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so it had to be really scalable, right? Because we have about 200,000 documents, right? So
Yes.
it needed to be really scalable. Yes, so we have the law, we have this, and we also have, we had to add, because in Saudi Arabia we added Sharia law. Of course, Sharia law basically. The
Yes.
Quran, the Quran basically, and all that stuff, because we use it there. So basically, it was really big. It's a really big project. So here you can see that basically we have Arabic and this model. For example, here what happens here, what happens here, it's actually the following. We needed to make something to decide whether the question that's coming, when I say we, it's me, right? So the question that's coming, to know if this question is actually a dispute, a problem, it's just a normal question, so we can decide how much computing power and how much tokens do we give this question, right?
Yes, yes, it's very important
Yes,
for us.
yeah. So,
Yes,
so I
it's
decided,
very expensive. OpenAI is very expensive.
really expensive, really expensive. Yeah.
Yes,
So we used actually a really small model, which is GPT
yes,
Mini.
yes,
Yeah, it's a small model, and as you can see, just max tokens 150, which is really
yes,
small, right? And the temperature is zero point 0.1 because we want it to be an
yes.
accurate and conservative as much as possible. So in this way, I did actually this so to make like to see either the question is an important, it's not important, do we need to give a lot of tokens or not. And after that, what will happen is then we have, okay, let me see. Yes, here. So after that, we actually have another the other models, right? So the classification model again is GPT-4,
Mhm.
the mini one, and then we use GPT-4. Also, the client, he wanted to have flexibility, right? Wanted to have flexibility with a couple of things. He wanted to, if he can switch between DeepSeek and OpenAI, because as you said, OpenAI is
Okay,
actually really expensive, right?
okay.
So he
So
said,
you have
mm,
OpenAI and
and
DeepSeek.
DeepSeek again, yes, and
Yes. It's
actually,
not like sorry, it's not like machine learning. It's just OpenAI and DeepSeek.
yes,
You
it's
don't
yes.
how to
Say
say, istruito, come si dice?
Learned.
You don't learn any LMA
yes.
like
You mean that I didn't train the data?
yes, exactly.
Yes. So this is a really good question, right?
Mhm.
We didn't train the data on the
Okay,
questions, not the not sorry, not the law, right? But we
okay.
trained the data of the way of the answer. Okay,
With prompt,
not with prompt.
with
So not with prompt, with fine tuning. Okay, because we wanted. Let me just a second. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So I know that you don't understand it really well,
yeah.
but yeah, sorry for this. But basically, the idea here, this is it's like the way that you should answer according to each case, right? So it's we like because it's a law, right? So you have
Mhm.
dozens and dozens of book. All right, and each case you need to respond in a certain way. I can send you even the book so you can validate it yourself. Let me send it through Upwork, right? Just a second. I said,
So
yeah. So we trained it on the sorry, we trained it on the way to answer the questions, not just with prompt, but with fine tuning, right?
okay.
So I'm trying
And
to,
you
yeah.
also use prompts or not?
Yes, I also use prompt. If you can see
Okay.
here, let me
But
just send you this.
prompts are very expensive because every time it reading prompts every time.
Yes, this is why I said we used both, right? This is
Okay.
why we used both. And
So you think this fine tune is like cheaper? I don't know. It's not that expensive like OpenAI prompts.
it's
I
actually,
didn't know this one.
fine tuning is expensive, right?
Mm-hmm.
But my client, he thought in the following way, right? Maybe it's
Okay.
expensive now, but on
Mm-hmm.
the long run, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not expensive because he is scaling. My client, he gets about 10,000 visits per day,
Okay.
right? So if every person he asks, the the price accumulates. Okay, basically.
Okay.
So
So
yes,
more you use it, less expensive.
The yes, basic. So here,
Okay.
yeah. So here also you can see that we use Arabic in a lot of things. Arabic in the variables itself. You can even test test it yourself here. So that's it. Again, it's a full SAS. I did it myself. We also have here OCR and all of that stuff. Yeah, I can write a question. So for example, here this question it says, what's what's the penalty, all right, on tax evasion, right?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, if I ask it in English, it
Yes,
should
please.
answer in English. It should answer it in English, right? You're the one that
Okay.
asked me to, for Arabic. Um, what is the penalty of tax evasion? So yeah, okay, just a second. I can send you the answer in English. Let me try it again. Okay, in English, let's try this.
You can send me the link and I can try it
Yes,
by
here it's
myself.
here. He said it in
Okay,
English. Yeah,
perfect.
yeah. So it says in Saudi Arabia, tax evasion is considered serious offense. Blah 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 blah. Blah. According to the Income Tax Law, Chapter 5, Article 63, anyone who evade, as you can see, it's really, it's accurate and down to the the chapter and the article itself. If you want
Yes.
me to put any question here, tell me.
I don't know. It's just with Saudi Arabia, this one. It's not for all the
Yeah, but
world.
we have also laws. You can ask if you have something in your mind about any law in Saudi Arabia. You can ask it.
Oh, divorce.
Divorce? Wow,
Yeah.
Yeah.
How can I divorce from my wife?
wow, really, man? Okay, whatever you say. How can I
Divorce
divorce
before the marriage.
from my wife before the marriage? Really? Do you need me to write
I
this?
don't know.
Yeah. Are you sure? Do you want me to write this?
No,
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 no, no.
no, no, no.
I'm
Okay.
joking.
Yeah. Okay. How can I divorce from my wife in English? يا رب, in English, please. Ah, I'm polite with LLMs. Okay. So again, in Saudi Arabia, the process of divorce is governed by Islamic law, and it involves several steps. Here is the general blah 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 blah. Okay, right.
Fine.
So again, because divorce is a little bit different here, because here in divorce in Islam, it's verbal. For
Okay.
example, I'm married, right? We don't have to go to a lawyer and all of that stuff. If I told her you are divorced, in Arabic it's called طالق. Okay,
Oh,
which yeah, and actually طالق it means free, right? At the same
okay.
time, so you're free to go. It's like you're free to go. Yeah. So if you say it in any way, basically you are not married. Ta-da.
Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't
Interesting.
have to go into court and all that stuff. But if you want to verify it, of course, you go to court and a lawyer. Yeah.
Okay.
So I hope this actually made us
Yes, but if I have a question that it's not
ask.
like if I uh tell him hi, how are you? How he um replied to me?
Yeah. So do you mean you want to jailbreak?
Yes, something like this. Like something different.
Something? Yeah. He said, do you want me to do to?
Mm-hmm.
What do I say? Do you want me to say something?
How's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Well, okay.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay.
Yes,
fine,
because
perfect.
it's legal, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
We
it's
actually,
fine.
yeah, we closed it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So again, I
Oh,
believe we have a good understanding here. I believe we can talk about how can we progress from here to start the job.
sorry, repeat. I don't listen to you.
Yes, I said that I believe we have a good understanding here to each other, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can start, talking about how to
Yes,
start the job
our
itself.
project.
The
Okay.
offer, the job, when we can
Yes.
start.
Now I think we have a couple of days to think what to do, and we will tell you.
Yeah. Possiamo dirgli come funziona il nostro lavoro? Quello che
Cosa
tu
vuoi
dici.
spiegare un
No,
po'?
the particularity of our job is we have customer care chatbot.
I understand.
The particularity is that it fixed appointments in automatic, so the person below don't have to fix appointment because they have the chatbot that do everything.
I understand.
So
It's connected with.
it is connected with maybe a calendar. We use maybe Google Calendar,
Perfect.
and he has to understand what is asked to him and fix appointment or delete the appointment or move the appointment, and maybe also we have had some problems with multifunctional
Yes.
function, so maybe to do two things together, no? Yeah, maybe to cancel the appointment and book another appointment in another day.
Like when you write him, I don't know, book appointment for tomorrow and delete this one for today.
Yes.
Um, our bot
Struggle.
that sorry.
Struggle.
Yes, because
Yeah.
just the first action it makes,
Yes.
just the first. So he just books or just delete, not to function together. So we have this problem. We need to fix it. It's very
Like
important.
Mr. Anton, Miss Greta. Yeah, like this is I can really fix this. This is really my specialty, right? This is what I do. Um, I don't know why we actually might have couple of days. What I believe I really am suitable for this job, and I believe you also believe this, right? So
Yeah.
I can start from tomorrow. You understand? And
Okay.
we can progress fast. So I don't like if you have any other concern, if you have something in your mind you want to share me, so you can decide, to have 100% decision. Just tell me.
Okay. Now we just want to talk and think about. And if
Yes.
I have some question, I will write to you.
Okay.
Uh,
No,
now,
honestly, I say honestly, we were analyzing a few proposals that we received from Upwork, but I think you are one of the most
the best. Yes,
yeah, one of the
Yes.
best we have
because
spoke. So I
Yes.
think that
honestly, we have a too bad
experiences.
experience
Oh.
on this about the two. Yes, we start in June
Yes.
and we work 2 months and we don't have the project. After we earn another programmist and we also have some troubles with him. So now we're a little bit like this, you
Yes,
So
know?
I understand. I understand. Let me tell
We
you something. I assure you,
analyze.
there will be no problem at all. And if there is, I assure you, there is no problem at all. If you see my Upwork profile, um, all of my managers, they were really happy to work and cooperate with me, and they even go long term, right? So the Japanese person, you can actually see his review on Upwork. So he
Mm-hmm.
started with a consultation session, right? And after the consultation session itself, he wanted to go long term, and he started paying me through Pioneer. The same thing with other people, right? So
Mm-hmm.
again, as I said, Like, I believe we can really cooperate and start soon. But I know that you need to think about it, so no
Yes.
problem about this. Yes, I understand.
So, but you think that so our project is maybe easy for you, no?
Yes, 100%.
It's comfortable. Okay.
It's comfortable. It's literally
More or less, how many time do you think it will take?
really good question. I need to understand the whole project, right? Because
Yes.
you just told me that you have,
Yes.
like, you told me two things. You only told me two things. The first thing
Yes.
that you
Yes.
told me that the chatbot is simple, it's not that deep, and can't have a good conversation with the person, right? It's not smart, okay?
Yeah.
And the second thing you told me, it can't do two things at the same time. So if I tell it, book me, for example, a meeting at the restaurant at 4, and book me also the cinema at 7 with my wife. It only will make the first one. It can't make the second one,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So these
Exactly.
are two things that I only know, right?
Yes. Because
No, but is basically is not difficult. Is this
no, no.
Yes.
we have the first one that it was a very young boy, so it was quite bad. The
Yeah.
second was Ukrainian. He was sent to war.
Oh. Okay.
The
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
But I think it's not really hard. The difficult is what I told is this one, to book the appointments and delete and move the appointments, and then to
Yes.
speak to answer to every question like like he is a human.
Yeah.
Because if I have an activity and have this chatbot, my clients have to think that they are speaking with a human, not with a chatbot. So
Yes.
this is the main thing.
So
yes,
I just did this. I just did a similar project. Let me let
we
me
use
let me
Meta
open
please,
GitHub. Let Meta.
or WhatsApp and Instagram.
But we don't have basically something more. Just these
Mm.
few things,
Okay.
but they have to work very well.
Mm.
Yes. If you just give me a second here, I will show you. I just did something similar. Just something similar, right? Which is I have a lot of repositories, as you can see. I work a lot. Uh,
This is on GitHub.
yeah, GitHub.
You
Yes.
can share me your link.
Yes, of course, 100%.
Okay.
I will give
After
it to you.
you can share me this one and the Arabian project, Arabic.
Just now. Yes, 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 yes. Arabian is also right.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. So let me first right. So this is mine, and also at the same time you wanted, yeah. So you can even test it right now, yourself. Okay. Hokum.ai, right?
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, even the translation here it says the smart smart law assistant, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So here, what I did, I just did something like what you said. Again, it's mine. I did it. I pushed it to GitHub, all that stuff. So the idea of it, it's basically uh, an intelligent chat, intelligent, right? Smart
Mhm.
chat adaption. So basically, it understands, and I want to, because I had here a photo that I wanted to share, but I can't see it. I don't know why. Let me try to refresh. Yep, it will be here. The behavioral memory system.
Yes, because we
Yes.
have two versions. One is written by me, and it's like 90% complete
Mhm.
with all functions. And I think it's smart and it answer right, but it's not a scalable product. Another side, we have the other
Cool.
code that
Yes.
is more scalable, but it's dumb. It's not intelligent. It's based on like word based. If you write something that it's not written in the code, it
Mhm.
didn't answer or it crash out. So we need one clean code version that always have an answer for every question